Hey everyone, I want to show you how to get a Cardano wallet. Its code is ADA. So you go to this website, cardanohub.org. It might come up in Chinese, so you simply go to this right-hand side and click it back to English. Okay, so now we scroll down, until you get to here, this wallet. Now to download it, you just click on that. Okay, and then you go up here and you click on download, and whatever system you have, I've got Windows 10. You can see it's downloading right here. Okay, now it's downloaded. You put your mouse here and double click on it, and it should start to unpack. You click yes. Click install. Okay, it's completed, so you click close. Now we'll go to the desktop and find its icon. Okay, so you open up here and you go to D for the wallet and you click on that, and then you click on that. Now you've got to agree to all this to use the wallet, so you click the box and go I agree. Now when you first start it, it's going to sync, so it's probably going to take quite a long time to get up to 100%. So just let it run on your computer.